Welcome back to another episode, my guys. Oh my god. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. It's kind of a beautiful day. I really like this kind of weather. Like, hold on. Can you see that? A little overcast and everything. I love the weather because for one, it's the best kind of weather to like just hang around, be lazy, watch a movie, hang out with the missus or something, you know? It's awesome, amazing. If you guys are new to the channel, also remember to subscribe. I will be having a lot more videos of my car and whatever else that we like me and my friends do. Anyways, I gotta get my car, like I'm probably just gonna clean the wheels or whatever because I know it's gonna rain a little later tonight and maybe in about half an hour or so, whatever. Anyways, I know it's gonna rain later today. Gonna clean the wheels and then I'm gonna get ready for pretty much the meet tonight that my crew is hosting. Not my crew, but the crew I'm a part of, No Good Racing Central Florida chapter. Check them out on Instagram as well. They have their own like Instagram and everything. If you guys are on my Instagram as well, hopefully you guys make it out. Love to meet you guys. If you guys don't, then you know, there's always next time, alright? But I appreciate everybody's love and support and everything that you guys been doing for me so far. Always getting all these messages on Instagram like, yo, keep up the good work, keep up the hard work, you know? And I really appreciate that from you guys. It means a lot to me, and yeah. But alright guys, I'm gonna get started on cleaning the wheels on this thing because they're dirty. I'm gonna show you guys. Check it out. Look how dirty these wheels are. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys the real true color of it. Just a little bit of no, never mind. It's closed. What a fail. Alright, so let's try this one. Oh yeah, that'll work. Oh, that's a lot better actually. Oh man, look at all that dirt. It's disgusting. Boy, thing's black. I'm gonna do this one. This one's not that bad, obviously. I'm sorry if the wind is killing the audio on this thing, but I don't know about you guys. This is how I like to clean the wheels. I like to go around the rim. Look at that. Already looking 100%. Man, that thing's clean. Woo boy! Hey, these are hyper green, not teal, alright? Boom. 100% better, guys. Looks freaking amazing. See what I mean? I told y'all. Told y'all it was gonna rain. Imagine I just wash my car for no reason. Imagínate. Tá loco. Alright, Ant, so we making this happen or what?
Yeah, bro, we're making this happen. I hope people still come out, man. I really hope, even though this weather's fucking shitty, I hope we still have a good turnout.
Oh, of course. Me too.
But, alright, bro. Well, I'll see you later.
Alright, Puti.
Alright, man.
Bye. About to pass the airport. I really like going through there. I'll show you guys why I like it. With all the lights and all that stuff. Pretty dope. Really want to do a conjo run through there one day. But I know that's a fat ticket or arrest if you ever get caught. Probably do like a quick one loop or something. That'd be sick. But I gotta have spotters for that and shit. beautiful that thing is. Why is this guy going so slow? Oh my god, no, no, no. Are you serious? Oh no, thank God. No. I don't like to play around that much in the rain. Especially when I got these tires that don't grip for anything on the rain, obviously. Everybody say what's up. Say what's up.
Yeah.
Here. Chilling. Don't burn out! Nah, I'm playing, don't do that.
I did one little red when I came in here. I was like, alright, just gonna echo. Yeah, it echoed a lot off that wall.
Alright guys, so made it to the meet. I like how it's kind of like low-key and everything. So, Dion with the red hatch. Got the daily though. But I'll put the camera away since it's starting to rain. I'll probably record a little bit later. But I appreciate everybody who came out. If you guys did come out. If you guys didn't, we'll probably host another one for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the meet. And the meet's pretty low-key. I don't like no ratchet shit, you know? There's a time and place for that stuff. But alright guys. This shit's fire right here.
Who did that? You did that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Big merch.
That shit's fire.
I want one.
You see it?
I don't even want to wear it. I just want to put it in my dashboard.
But that is so sensitive to like wash though, because you gotta wash it inside out.
Oh, right.
And you cannot dry it.
Dry it.
Yeah, exactly. You can't dry it. You gotta air dry it. Or
Also don't crack.
And then he was like, "Yo, I got an extra one, so he just made me this one."
Little what?
See it?
Whatever.
One.
But if you want me to. And then this one was like the one I was iffy about.
I love the blue though.
The blue's nice, but I feel like it's kind of
does it say?
simple.
That can mean anything.
Weekend Bandit.
You didn't put the meaning in the bottom with the...
Nah. I was like, fuck it. Just says Weekend Bandit. It's plain. It is what it is, you know. But that one.
So what the price is like?
And then this one.
$5?
Nah.
Give me 10.
That's pretty much the gray one. That's pretty much the shirts. I gotta figure out how to sell them. Hope you guys like them. I know that there's gonna be way better designs in the future. He didn't send me pictures before he mass produced it, so I couldn't tell him, yo, fix this, fix that, you know? So it's the only thing that I need to work with him on. We got rained out. Let's do it. Let's do a launch.
Might as well just be like, yo, the wheel.
influence my butt cheeks on that one. Oh my God. Before I get too ahead of myself, I'm gonna stop while my car's still in one piece. This is ridiculous. Thankfully, there's nobody on the road right now besides those people up ahead. I would not be doing that with any other car behind me. Alright my guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. I know it's like different or whatever and it's, you know, another day, but I forgot to close out the video yesterday. I was kind of hanging out with the guys and we smoked a little bit, but so yeah, I forgot to close it out yesterday, but hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, you already know, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you guys think about the video. Alright guys, I'll see y'all next time. Deuces, one love.